So you want a trusted formula in order to build a business online with integrity, but how do you know which online authority to trust? Everywhere you turn, there are so many expert gurus never before heard of offering free opportunity reviews. Chances are you are watching this video because you are expecting just another same old style YouTube review. Well, listen on and I will reveal my recommendation. Welcome back to the channel for another video, and today I'm going to share with you my business online review on how to determine what is legit or a scam. If you haven't already, make sure you punch that red button below to subscribe to this channel, and also tick the bell icon to be notified of all future videos when I upload them. And click the like button if you are super excited about this content. I'm uploading videos on a regular basis showing you how to build a life and business online. It doesn't take any effort to do a quick search and be overwhelmed with everyone claiming what is legitimate and what is a scam. You are perplexed and overwhelmed scouring the internet for determining legitimacy versus scam business opportunities. Everyone's reviews seem good, but then you say to yourself you have no trusted relationship with people you are listening to. So you choose to ignore these thoughts because you have to have answers now, hoping you jump on the perfect opportunity and not fail. My review for you is that I'm not going to leave you with a review on this product. Instead, let me give you my recommendation. Go against the grain and don't listen to anyone other than yourself. Businesses exist because they are problem solvers in the marketplace, so your goal should be to focus on people's needs and begin thinking of what you can do to aim to resolve their problems. Start slow at first, then the rest will fall into place. Instead of being a business person, think higher. A visionary. Forbes magazine found to be very credible as a reliable source of financial information in an October 16, 2016 online article entitled 21 Legit Ways to Make Money Online writes that making money online isn't easy, and the truth lies within each individual finding ways and means to create a new business with vision, willing to take on risks without depending on things or products or systems, etc. The only thing that matters is results. Sound familiar? It takes entrepreneurial vision. There is so much nonsense out there. Everyone is teaching you what is or what is not legitimate and how to become a millionaire. Instead, how would you like to be taught a whole new level of thinking? Not just from a business and marketing standpoint, but life in general. Your financial success follows your personal growth, and they both go together. You'll tackle paradigms, tactics, principles, strategies, money, structures, finances, how to properly manage your business. This will change your life. You'll follow a guide, a specific step-by-step path. If you want to access the same system that my mentor developed that changed everything for me, then subscribe to this channel. Head back to my YouTube homepage and click on my formula to get instant access to this very system. You will be glad you did.